is that X-ray. Okay, Roentgen has discovered last century, end of last century. Before that, no, radium was discovered, okay, by Madame Curie. You know all that, right? So once using radioactive particles, they came to know that ionization radiation happens, where this X-ray or gamma radiation, all these, they can pass through the medium, any tissue or anything. So when it is subjected to any X-ray plate, obviously they will be able to take a photograph. Now the most important thing that you have to keep it in mind is, in case of X-ray, there are certain important points you have to remember, is that whenever any radiation passes through, okay, not leaving the light, the VIBGYOR, all that visible color is there, infrared is there, and we are also having the different other X-ray, gamma rays, all this. The most important thing is they can pass through bone, because bones are going to absorb the entire part of the ionization radiation. So obviously it will be giving rise to white color. Okay, but in case of soft tissue or any soft tissue, it will be giving rise to grayish color. But in case of air, that is, it will be taking black color. So there is a variation. Air will not absorb anything, so it will give rise to a lung field which is showing black color. That means it is filled with the air. When we inspire, okay, the lung as well as the heart will come down. Obviously we can see the entire area. I'll discuss everything. So air is filled within the space of the lung, but the fluid is there in the heart. So definitely it will be having white color. Same is the case for the bones, but the color may be little gray color compared to the bones. Bone is the one which is going to absorb maximum. Second will be the soft tissue or maybe fluid, but air is not going to absorb any radiation. Now you see there are several type of X-rays. One of the most commonest, it can be taken anywhere, like on the chest. This is the X-ray of the chest. We have also other places where it can be shown. Now if you go